Here's Knowt app, AI flashcards and notes. Quite great app. Get notes, flashcards, and tests instantly. Upload any PDF, PPT, video, or audio file. Record your lectures live for summaries, snap and solve step-by-step guides, guided videos, and similar practice instantly. So yeah, discover a new way to study with Knowt, the all-in-one study app trusted by 4 million students. On top of being the #1 flashcard app with free learn mode, Knowt also has unique AI features designed to save you time when studying. With one click, turn your notes into flashcards or ask our AI to summarize your lecture videos and whip up flashcards on the key info for you. Knowt creates practice tests from any Knowt PDF or video to help you prepare for exams. What can you do on Knowt? Make flashcard sets. So you can just create flashcards from, for example, YouTube video to learn it. Turn your notes into flashcards. You can upload also your text notes. Study with free learn mode. Master a flashcard with limited rounds of learn mode, also one of our study modes. Efficient note taking, spaced repetition, free EP study guides. Explore free learning resources. Choose from millions of digital flashcard sets, class notes, study guides, and PDFs on a wide range of subjects, all created by fellow students. Seamless syncs, all your stuff syncs between the mobile app and the website, making it easy to pick up where you left off. Download the new Knowt app today and take your notes and flashcards wherever you go. So let's just open the app. Okay, so let's try it out. So here is the app, how it looks like. Fun logo, and just load in again, and then there you have it. So now you have so there is like a, here we have 3-day free trial, then $60 per year, so they have a free trial. I have some so yeah, here you see I got a lot of coins in here, so pretty cool. So I've got 1,000 coins just because I redeemed invited people. So feel free to use my coins. So I can buy 2 months strict revival, vintage, cap. So all of that. So you can use these coins to buy stuff in here. So yeah, feel free to use my code. And that's basically how you can earn the coins. So again, feel free to use my code UJ27VX. So that's basically the idea. And yeah, so something like that. Use it. And then yeah, here you have it. So here you have app icons, but then okay, let's go to the main features. So you can upload a file and get notes. You can record a lecture, get notes. You can create flashcards manually without AI. You can create notes. There is a category just for exams where you can get notes and flashcards. So for example, here is my library. So basically you can just record, you can record a lecture in here. So that's what it is. I don't know, it offers me to claim some badges. And yeah, so you can record a lecture, you can just upload a file, you can upload a video, you can upload pictures of any text, you can upload a file from Google Drive, and then it will create flashcards for you. So that's basically the idea. So seems you can't upload YouTube video in here. But yeah, that's basically how it works.